Meaning of epigraph.
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 Epigraph. An epigraph is a short quotation or saying at the beginning of a literary work, typically used as a preface or introduction to set the tone or theme of the work. It can also provide context or insight into the author's inspiration for writing the work. Epigraphs have been used in literature for centuries and can be found in works ranging from novels to poetry collections. Overall, an epigraph serves as an opening statement that helps to frame the reader's understanding of the work they are about to read.